Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Text Edit and switching to plain text so formatting won't interfere with code or config files. Once done, choose UTF-8 encoding when saving. This prevents weird characters later. Make sure to note the file extension, TXT, MD, SH, because macOS uses it to suggest apps. You'll also want to enable visible line endings in preferences if you work with scripts, so you avoid carriage return issues across systems. Now you're ready to create and save a clean, portable text file. Once your file is saved, focus on efficient editing. Use CMD plus F to find text quickly, and Option plus CMD plus F when you need to replace multiple instances. You'll move faster with keyboard navigation, CMD plus left or right to jump line ends, Shift plus Option plus arrow to select words. If you're editing code, enable auto indent and soft wrap, or switch to a dedicated editor like Visual Studio Code for syntax highlighting and extensions. These steps reduce errors and speed up revisions, especially when working with longer documents or scripts. To finish, save with the right extension and encoding, UTF-8 and LF line endings for scripts, then test executables in terminal by running chmod plus X and executing the file. Make sure to close and reopen the file in the target app to confirm rendering. If something goes wrong, like strange characters or broken formatting, reopen using Text Edit's open dialog and explicitly pick the encoding. This often fixes corruption. If problems persist, try a different editor to rule out Text Edit-specific quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.